Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can transfer the ownership of a workspace inside your ClickUp account to a new or to another member and make that member the new owner of the workspace. Let me show you really quickly how to do that, guys. It is very simple. Head over to ClickUp, log into your account. And what you'll need to do first, guys, is for obvious reasons, select the right workspace in the top left corner you would like to transfer the ownership for. So let me go with this one here. After that, click on settings below to access your workspace settings. And basically, guys, here on the left hand side, head over to settings. And here on the right hand side, you will be given the opportunity to transfer the ownership by clicking off that button here. After that, simply choose the user from that list below you'd like to transfer the ownership for and confirm by clicking on that button here. Now, for those reasons, I'm not going to do that because I would like to keep the ownership of that team or of that workspace. But you can do that anytime, guys, for example, by clicking on that button here and transfer the ownership of the given workspace to the assigned team member. And that's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time on our channel.